Now, I will give you a small tip when it comes to median wages. Now, what are median wages? So, when you have a business plan ready, you basically talk about your recruitment plan, you talk about the different knock codes for who you're looking to hire, their responsibilities, their job duties, all of that, right? Now, when you are deciding pay for these knock codes, you will have to check the job bank to see what the median wage is for each of these positions, including yourself, because you have to pay yourself a salary and you are paying the people that you are looking to hire in Canada. You know, you're putting them in the recruitment plan, so all of their knock codes as well. And you have to make sure that the wage that you are putting for them in the business plan is at least the median wage that is mentioned in the job bank website. Now, what happens typically, and I wouldn't say typically, sometimes what happens is when you are doing an application, the median wage is say $40, right? But by the time the IRCC reviews the file or assesses the file, sometimes for some of those positions, the median wage slightly goes up. Now, when that happens and they find that they just need some excuse like that, to reject the file. So they will say, well, your median wage was not accurate for some of the positions, and so we're rejecting the file. So now you will get to know this information only if you apply for the GCMS notes. So once you apply for GCMS notes, you know for a fact that nothing is immediate. You have to wait for several weeks for the GCMS notes to come by, and because the actual refusal letter that you will get will literally state no reason for rejection. It'll be a very standard response. Then you look into the GCMS notes to know more. Now, so my advice would be, this happened to one of our clients last year, which is why I'm talking about this in the video, because it is not that I made up this issue. It does actually happen. It has happened to us as well. And it is a real pain just for that little issue. You have to go back and redo the whole application. So to avoid you headaches, so what we typically do now is to have a buffer in each of those knock codes, the median wage. If the median wage says 40, I have a buffer of at least $4 or $5 on top of the median wage, and that is what I set as a standard for wages for that particular knock code. So you do this for all the knock codes, including yourself, and this is what I recommend.